In today's fast-paced world, data-driven decisions are key. But what if accessing insights was as simple as asking a question? Meet Quiri, an AI-powered NLP platform that transforms your queries into actionable insights in seconds. With Quiri, you don't need complex dashboards or coding skills. Just type your question and our advanced AI model delivers real-time results in easy-to-understand charts and graphs. From line graphs to pie charts, Quiri turns raw data into meaningful insights, helping you make informed decisions instantly. Built for both users and administrators, Quiri ensures seamless role-based access control, secure user management, and scalable performance. Keep track of your past questions with session-based query management. Generate reports and save important queries for future use. With enterprise-grade security and optimized performance, Quiri ensures data safety and a smooth user experience every time. Experience the power of AI-driven insights. Try Quiri today and unlock the future of data accessibility.